So in this video, we're going to be talking about our new loaded enclosures we came out with. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit the little bell so you will enable the notifications. You'll know every time we drop a video here and you'll be able to see it first. So don't forget to do those two things before anything else. What's happening, guys? Coming at you from the warehouse today with something super exciting. This has been in the works for almost 10 months. So when you come up with an idea, it takes a lot of time to put it into, to go from your idea in your head to actual production, and then also getting it over here to the door and in the warehouse. Like it took us 10 months to make this happen. So you may have already known that we had the Sundown Audio SA series loaded enclosures done. This is the Sundown Audio Classic series. So 750 watts RMS, the most popular Sundown subwoofer they have ever sold. They sold more of these subs than any other subwoofer that they've ever come out with. So most popular, I mean, it's not the most budget friendly, but definitely budget friendly for what kind of subwoofer you're getting for around the $200-ish mark. And you know, Sundown's ratings are always underrated. So we had a lot of success with that one, and I'm like, what if we came out with different packages that showcased the other budget-friendly subwoofers from Sundown Audio? So what we did was just that. We came out with the Sundown Audio loaded enclosures with the E series subwoofers and also the LCS series subwoofers. So the LCS series subwoofers, I have two different models here. So this is a single subwoofer loaded enclosure with the E series in there, but we have it in single and dual that you'll see right behind me. We have it back here, but I just took one out so you can see on the E series it has the stitched cone here. It has a little bit bigger motor, a little bit bigger surround, so you're getting a little bit more for your money on the E series. So we have this again available in single and dual profabs. So the boxes that these are in are our very own Down4Sound profabs. We call them a profab because they're a lot heavier duty than your normal budget subwoofer box. We doubled up the coating on these, so the coating is twice as thick. They're made out of 3/4 inch MDF wood, and the tuning and design is done by Bassaholic Productions, or Drew Jones. He's one of the best designers for a box in the bass head space. So it's perfect for these subwoofers. You're not going to get a better output for what you're getting. So again, you have the E series, which is going to be middle of the road. That's going to be 500 watts RMS per sub. So this subwoofer right here, you could do a Sundown, say, SFB 600 if you wanted to be super budget friendly. You could also do a JP8 if you wanted to move up on the power a little bit, and then you could also do a Sundown SFB 1000. Kind of up to you on like how much power you're wanting to put on it. They're rated at 500 watts. If it was me, I would do like a JP8 or a SFB 1000 on this. It wouldn't be no problem. And then obviously if you were going to get the dual one, you would double up the power from there. So we also have them wired. So this single sub enclosure is a dual 2, so it's going to be wired at 1 ohm. You're going to get a 1 ohm load at the terminal, and then the dual enclosures are dual 4s, so you're going to be at a 1 ohm load at the terminal as well. So again, that's the E series. I'm going to move over here to the most budget friendly series, which is the LCS series. The LCS series from Sundown Audio is their most cost effective, or their most budget friendly subs. They run like, I think, slightly under $100 each. So you can get into a loaded single LCS 12-inch enclosure from Sundown Audio for under $300 shipped. So this is going to be an awesome, like if you just want some nice little bass in the back and make it really easy, this will be an awesome choice for you to go with. The single one, again, is going to be right under $300. The single sub, these subwoofers are rated at 300 watts RMS, so even more budget friendly. So if you're wanting to do one of these, again, you could do the SFB 600 if you wanted to do the dual one, or you could do a SAM 500 or something similar for the single sub setup. You could also go up to on the dual series, or the dual 12 LCS series, you could go with the JP8 on that, or SFB 1000, somewhere around there, and you would be good. You can be in like one of these budget friendly setups like the LCS series for probably like $500 or $600. So you'd be up and banging for a really nice price. So again, LCS series, the subwoofers are 300 watts RMS. So you have here two 300 watt subwoofers, again wired at 1 ohm over there. And you can get the single sub setup, which is going to be a 300 watt RMS setup. That's going to be wired at 1 ohm over there. The one that we've already had that we came out with that was like most successful and why we started the loaded enclosures was the Sundown SA series. And I talked about that in the beginning of this video. But anyway, we have them back here behind me. You can see right here we have the single, we have the dual ones down here. Over here we have the single E series and the dual ones down there. And then down there on the end we have the LCS series single and dual ones on the bottom. So if you'd like to check these out, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description below. And let me know what you think about these. I know the first ones that we came out with, the SA series, were super popular. People have loved them. We're almost actually out of them. We have another run of them being made. So that lets me know that people must have liked them a pretty good bit. Anyway, I appreciate you joining me in another video here in the warehouse. Again, if y'all have any questions that pertain to car audio or whatever it may be, drop them in the comments below. And if it's a good question that a lot of people like put a lot of thumbs up or comment on yours, like, yeah, I would like to know that too, whatever it may be, post it in the comments. And if it's a good one, we'll make a video about it. JP will respond to it. So if you want to get your question answered, just post it in the comment section below. Appreciate you guys joining me. We'll see you in the next one. Later. Hey, what's up guys? If you want to see more of the hot content that you just saw in that video, be sure to follow me on all my social media channels from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. The Life of Price is my handle on there. Also have DOWN4SOUNDSHOP on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. That's JP D4S. Check out all the hot content on there as well.